It's the newest treat from Dairy Queen. The Blizzard. The delicious new Dairy Queen Blizzard. The treat's so thick you gotta spoon it up. Get a Blizzard made with a Butterfinger. A Heath bar. Cookies. The choice is yours. The new treat's so rich and thick you gotta spoon it up. The Blizzard. The new treat from Dairy Queen.
We treat you right.
Do that the usual upside down way. Hope you don't mind me getting you on YouTube, right? So, alright, yeah. Appreciate that. Whenever you're ready. There we go, folks. Hope you guys didn't miss that here. Don't that look good? Hey everybody, it's your boy Robbie P2 here. So Robbie P2 family, please let's check in down below. And with the hashtag here, and welcome to something we haven't done in a while, hashtag Snack Wednesday. We review snacks, desserts, all kinds of treats. And you know what? I figured, hey, there's only one way we can serve this here. You probably saw it. So there's again. Oh, man. Oh, well. I saw it upside down here. Of course, back at DQ here, you know what? Because we figured right now, they got a deal going on. If you get that mobile app, get a small one of these things here. They're called Blizzard, 85 cents. To commemorate the year that they introduced the Blizzard to the menu, 1985. So happy 38th birthday, Blizzard. And so, of course, what this is DQ soft serve, blended with any treat of your choice. This time, I went the Heath bar. So now let's go ahead and take a bite here. Oh. I am digging. Oh, man. Pardon the mess, but you know what? I am digging this Blizzard here. You know, DQ's always had really good soft serve. And this could definitely bring back some memories since childhood. But I gotta say, this is really good for 85 cents. Regular price, $5.39. Pause if you want to read the receipt. There's your proof. But you gotta have the mobile app to get the deal. It's only at participating locations. So I think you got to run here. So, all right. Because when are you ever going to be, I'd say run right now, because when are you ever going to see a deal like this again? So all together, I'd say this is a perfect treat. After having some other food here. Oh, by the way, By the way, stay tuned because may see him on Fast Food Friday as well. All right. So this blizzard altogether gets I'm gonna give it a perfect 10. Happy 38th birthday, DQ Blizzard. All right. And for those who are new to my channel, please hit the big subscribe button. And then when that notification bell comes up, you can ring that, choose all notifications from the menu so you don't miss out on anything. Any new content, including, hey, maybe a Fast Food Friday from DQ and get the hot eats or the grill side. Because it's DQ has both those. So, all right. And then also, please let me know what you think in the comments down below. And then also, for those who are new, after subscribe, always join all the other Robbie P2 family members. Smash that thumbs up so we can fight the YouTube algorithms here. Can't let them win. All right, and then also, hey, if you have any requests for future content on the channel, please feel free to reach out to me. You can either email me or message me on Instagram or Twitter. Information, all that info is going to be in the description below. And then also below that will be a link to my fan shop so you can get some official Robbie P2 merch like t-shirts, hats, you name it here. And then also be a link to my Cameo so you can request a personalized shout out from me and help the channel grow in other ways here. Don't forget, please share this out on Instagram, on all your social media as well. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube community tab, that is, or YouTube itself. And all that here. Hit the share button down below. It has all that. So as always, thank you for watching. And as always, be happy, be safe, be positive. Your boy, Robbie P2 out.